In this video, we'll show you exactly how to clean your dishwasher filter safely and effectively. A clean dishwasher filter is essential for ensuring your dishwasher performs efficiently. Over time, food debris, grease, and soap scum can accumulate, causing unpleasant odors and reducing your dishwasher's cleaning ability. Proper maintenance will extend the lifespan of your appliance. Let's get started. Before beginning, make sure your dishwasher is empty and switched off. Remove the bottom rack for easier access to the filter area. Always follow appliance guidelines for your safety. Typically, the dishwasher filter is located at the bottom center of the dishwasher interior, beneath the bottom spray arm. Twist or gently lift out the filter according to your model's instructions. Refer to your dishwasher manual if you're unsure. Inspect the filter closely. Using a paper towel or your fingers, gently remove larger pieces of food debris or waste stuck to the filter. Dispose of debris into a trash bin to avoid clogging your sink. Place the dishwasher filter in a sink or bowl filled with warm water and a few drops of mild dish soap. Allow it to soak for 10 to 15 minutes. This softens any stubborn buildup, making cleaning easier. After soaking, use a soft bristled toothbrush or cleaning brush to gently scrub the filter. Pay close attention to the mesh and small crevices to remove grease, grime, and soap scum effectively. Rinse the dishwasher filter thoroughly under warm running water to remove all soap and loosened residues. Inspect it carefully to ensure all debris has been completely removed. Repeat scrubbing if necessary. While the filter dries, take a moment to clean the filter housing area inside the dishwasher. Wipe the area gently with a damp cloth or sponge to remove any residue that might have collected there. Allow the filter to air dry completely or pat it gently with a clean, lint-free cloth. Once dry, reassemble and securely place the filter back into its housing, ensuring it is properly locked in place. To finish, run a short cleaning or rinse cycle without dishes to ensure everything is functioning correctly and to flush away any lingering particles. To maintain optimal dishwasher performance, clean your filter monthly. Regular cleaning prevents buildup, improves efficiency, and extends your dishwasher's lifespan significantly. By following these simple steps, your dishwasher filter will remain clean and your dishwasher will continue to perform efficiently for years to come. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe for more helpful cleaning tips, and let us know your dishwasher care tips in the comments below. Happy cleaning!